Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the records HMRC needs. That saves time. Gather P60 or P45, recent payslips, NI number, and bank details now. Next, sign into your personal tax account or create a government gateway. This is how you submit or track a refund. Once logged in, check your tax code and any P800 or coding notices. Make sure employment dates and benefit entries match your paperwork. Doing this first prevents delays and avoids repeated contacts with HMRC later. Now you fill in the claim itself. If you were taxed under pay, use your personal tax account to submit a refund or respond to a P800. For employment expenses under Pound 2, 500 use Form P87. Self-assessment filers should amend returns or request repayments. Remember the 4 tax year time limit. Upload or attach payslips, P60/P45, and any employer correspondence, and describe why you overpaid. Make sure dates, amounts, and employer details match. Mismatches are the most common cause of delay. Finally, submit and confirm bank details. Record the claim reference and expected processing window, typically 4 to 8 weeks. Once done, store copies of everything for at least 4 years because HMRC can ask for proof. If you don't get the refund, or you spot an incorrect tax code, contact HMRC quoting your reference and provide the documents you uploaded. If a mistake caused the issue, request a tax code correction or a manual review. This usually resolves missing refunds faster than resubmitting the whole claim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.